side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
Hello, fellow traders, welcome. How's everybody doing? How's it going, everyone?
Just tonight, one moment turns into flight. From the whip,
Miss K, 911 Porsche Turbo. EL7 Trader, what is going on, man? Love Tiger World song. Thank you so much, Scalper, Novatel, KHM, Jessica, Build Alive. Everybody, welcome, guys. Great to see you. How did everybody this morning? Well, it looked like we were going to have an all night and all morning grind down, but somehow magically out of nowhere the market found a way to get a bounce. And the bounce was not small. It was, as we kind of expected, nice over 300 points bounce, guys. And that's incredible. All right, so it looks like I'm getting a little trouble with the platforms. Definitely looks like the market wants to give us that little bounce. And by the way, I've got a request to payout here today. All right, there we go, guys. Oh yeah, 1 second, guys. I'm going to request a payout. I'm gonna request exactly the same amount. 4. Oh, you gotta request the whole exact amount. You gotta round the number with no decimals. Wow. Wow. All right. So I did request the payout.
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome. All right, so I did request a payout here, as you guys can see. That's it's after split, right? 1652 plus 1260. That's 2912. Feels better, guys. Feels better. Absolutely. Let me join the payout party here with everybody else. Let's take a look at everybody else as well. Gen 25, been a super crazy day. Started out bad overnight by blowing the TPT evals on the day 4. Blew 1 TPT Pro and 1 XFA with the low drawdown. Then hit a dealer on 3 XFA. It sounds like StockTiger, but made little less than 2 grand across 9 fundeds and $1,200 on the MMFU builder half-fast TPT evals. Nice, bro. Good job. Full past FN funded next evals. Holy mochaccino. Look at that, eh? Tradified live as well. Nice. Good job, brother. Ooh, Gen 25 smoking. Good stuff, brother. Good stuff. All right, there we go. And I've done mine, so a little less than 3 grand here for myself, and grateful to be requesting a payout, guys. I was a little kind of concerned I may not see a payout in a while. Somehow we find a way to get something here. 3 grand, I'll take it any day, guys. Ooh, what a tough battle. So right now I'm kind of sitting at about 4 grand of payouts for this month, and we have already passed 2 weeks. So not good, guys. Not good. I've got a lot of work to do Scalpster, is that you, Scalpster from our Discord, or is that somebody else? Julie, what is going on? J Bus, Nova Tail Animation, what is going on? Lost Lucid 50k Pro account. I am so sorry, brother Nova. I'm sorry, bro, man. Yeah, today I did some trades, but I think it's a big mistake that I traded on my phone when I wasn't feeling that great. I wasn't feeling that great, number one. And on top of that, I lost a funded account on Take Profit Trader that apparently was a violation. So it's kind of weird, but I shouldn't have traded, but I did, and I ended up losing a few more. But it's okay. It's overall, I think I had an okay day. You know, I also bought some funded next accounts as well at $69, $70, give or take, and I traded those accounts, and I hit the consistency, so that's good. And I don't know, this market, guys, I mean, we ended up pulling back. How many points, guys? That's 800 to 900 points pullback, right? Yeah, a little less than that. I guess 800 points pullback right from the high to the trough, and then we ended up getting a bounce of 500 points. Like, honestly, not easy to trade at this market, guys. Not easy. At the end of the day, we're up. Sounds like we never really ended up getting a pullback, but we're yeah, we literally pulled back. That's a lot of pullback we got here. 800 points pullback and 500 points bounce, and we're sitting right in the middle now. We have a meaningful resistance here that we're gonna have to watch and see if we can pierce through that tonight. Right, we got here. We're gonna get through this. We couldn't do that today, so we got pretty close to the edge at 192, and then we ended up getting rejection, and we ended up pulling back into the 102. But we held, and we got actually above the VWAP. So if we were down in that 29,000, I would have said, okay, well, I'm gonna be leaning a little more bearish coming into tonight. But now that we are above the EMA, sorry, not just the EMA, but above the VWAP, you know, I'm kind of going, okay, well, maybe maybe a little more bullish here today. So I'm just gonna draw that pivot here. So it's kind of very important. So we got some levels we want to watch, but we got a pivot here. We could not get above. We got rejection there. So we got rejection there as well. We ended up pulling back nasty. And then we also tried here, but we couldn't get above, and we got rejection. So we're gonna be watching this, guys. We're gonna be watching this, and I want to see how this is gonna play out today. Okay, so here we have this level. We are sitting at 133. So I want to know if we can get above. This is on a tick chart, by the way. Tick chart on the right hand side, 150. I'm going to be looking at 190 as well. All right, guys, we got 4 more minutes for Globex to open, and anything underneath 29,100, I think we're gonna be leaning more bearish, right? That's the swing low, and if we break underneath that, of course, we have a little break in the structure. Mugi Warup, hey, what is going on, man? Long time no see. Where have you been, yo? Nice to see you back again. Okay, guys, a few more minutes to go. And then working. Oh yeah, Jillian, what is up? Killer 89. Hey, Lynn, how's it going? Togulis, Justin right in the house as well. What up? I figured a lot of traders lost a lot of accounts on that drop. I can only imagine. Do you think there's a lot of traders that actually ended up losing a lot of accounts? Or anybody from the YouTube? Or is it just me? I lost a few accounts today. What PROPFIRM did you get a payout from? That's Top Step. That's Top Step. 3 grand. 3 grand. Let's go. Oh. $3 grand though. JT, what is going on, brother? Smokey, what up? Killer 89. What happened to this real violation you were mentioned in the chat? There's nothing wrong. It's just that I probably had limit orders. You guys know I don't copy trade my accounts, so I have limit orders I place on certain accounts, not knowing we have those limit orders. I think those kind of got triggered, and as when I'm trading on my phone on Tradovate, you see I cannot see all those accounts, right? So apparently I traded something else. I was long, and obviously the other account already had some limit orders, micro, and was in a trade, and those were all opposite directions. So unfortunately, so it's okay. I'm gonna have to be. I had this issue a few times now. And apparently it's kind of an ongoing thing, so I've got to make sure I close all my accounts and kind of try to take one account, trade, close every little thing we have, and then move on to the next account. Jay, what is up, man? I haven't seen you in a while too. Yeah, you have to keep your eyes down. Yes sir, I will. Real crypto, yes sir, I'm going to. Yeah, I'm having a lot of limit order issues. You know, I place limit orders and I forget to take it off. And a lot of times I'm seeing those limit orders somewhere along the way, and it's becoming a problem. And I'm a little bit of a roller coaster on my Apex accounts. I'm hitting DLL one day, and I'm coming back with a nice little bounce, which is about 1,000 points, and sorry, $1,000, and then I'm going back, hitting a DLL again. So it's kind of like back and forth. Hopefully we have a better day. All right, and oh yeah, and I lost 1 Billionox account today as well, man. I lost 1 Billionox account. 1 TPT eval, 1 TPT Pro was shut down, and then I lost 1 Pro as well, and then what else? And then that was it. Very unfortunate. I don't know, but overall I think it's a pretty decent day. All right, so here you go, guys. Here we go. We are 141 now. I'm gonna look for. All right, I'm gonna try to long. One. Oh man, are we actually going to pierce through this now? Like, you would not even want to give me a chance to get into a trade? And that is no bueno. So what I ended up doing is, guys, I did a manual lockout for the first time ever. But of course, after all the damage was said and done. So no regrets, guys, no regrets. What's the point? But guys, we did talk about last night that we could see a pullback in front of the CPI, and then I would not be surprised if we end up getting a bounce and back to where it was. Obviously, we never really got a bounce. We had a meaningful bounce, but not as much. But that's a pretty significant bounce though, right? Everybody was kind of going, okay, well, I think it's, oh man, look at this, guys. Oh my dear. Like, what am I gonna do now, guys? Am I supposed to long or am I supposed to short now? Oh my. Bowser Trader, what is going on, man? How's your day? I haven't heard you in a while. Two cons long. Oh, hey, in 2691. You. All right, Chris, you gotta stop being polite. You gotta stop being polite. Be a man. Be an adult. Be polite. Be polite. Try to say that in front of my face, in person. I'm gonna kick you out anytime. All right. Well, yeah, I'm not sure what to do now, guys. I'm not sure. It went, guys. It's gone. It's no more there. It's gone. Jeez. I wanted to hop on along, and I don't know. And I kind of missed it. Yeah, today I hit a lot of Apex accounts, guys, man. I banked it. I think there was about 6 accounts on Apex. I hit like $1,000. Ooh, baby. What am I gonna do now? All right, guys, I'm gonna stay a little patient. I know I missed out. I know I missed out. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys caught that move to the upside. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah, but I'm very sad. I'm very sad I lost 1 Billinox. Man, you guys know how I'm really trying to grind with Billinox. Oh my god. And I ended up losing 1 because I was oversizing. You know, as soon as you get into like 2-3 mini contracts and you're kind of down, you're like, all in right now, all in, brother, let's go. I do that sometimes. It's really hard, you know, especially when you're down with like 2 or 3 mini contracts. You're kind of, it's yeah, no bueno, guys, no bueno. One thing though, I'm getting pretty close to getting to 40. What is that again? 40%. And we are getting closer to the payouts on Billinox, so I've gotta be careful. I gotta be careful, right? I gotta be careful, guys. Like this one right here, I'll go show it to you right now. This one right here. So this is 58% consistency right now. So this is 58%. So my best day was 3,000, and right now 55. So this, if I can make a few $100s every day for the next 5 days, this will be down to 40%, right? So I should be able to request a $2,000 payout. So this could be the moment to really start to shine with Billinox, guys. I may start to get a lot of payouts from odd firms that I was not really paying attention too much. Could be through, I'm kind of thinking maybe through Billinox and Oh, and by the way, tonight I'm gonna be requesting another payout with Take Profit Trader. I had I think $700, $750, I think $750. Let's take a look. Yeah, so I had $761 profit on my pro account, one of my pro account that I had. So $760. I'm gonna be taking that a payout tonight. And that's the payout that I'm gonna be taking here tonight. And then and I requested a little less than $3,000 on the Top Step one too. So we'll try to see if we can actually continue. And I may be pretty close to requesting another payout with the Tradify too. So we'll see, guys. A lot of stuff going on right now, and yeah, looking forward to. It's time for some payouts for sure. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah, this is so I mean not that May has been, you know, like I wouldn't say it's been a bad month from a trading perspective, but I think once I had my Lucid gone, things became a little bit challenging, right? And so I'm just trying to call things back up again. It's taking a little bit of time because we're in second week now. We're literally 12 days past. We're halfway through the month, and I only have $4,000 with the payouts. So some ways to go. We'll try our level best to get to maybe. So my personal goal for the month of May is about 20 grand, right? It's about 20 grand. And we're only about 15% of that progress so far. We'll see how it goes. Joanne, what is going on? You're down about $1,000 unfunded. Is it recoverable? Depends. What's the drawdown that you have? If your drawdown is only about $1,200 and you only have $200 to work with, then that may be a little bit tough, bro. Not that I wanted to disappoint you by any means. How do you manage to trade so many accounts? Do you not copy trade? Elegant. I mean, I just keep trading. That's all. You know, I trade every day on my phone, on my what do you call this? My office computer. You know, a lot of stuff. And I obviously do a pre-market too. And I also swing trade overnight sometimes, and I also swing trade intraday. So I get into trade and I kind of walk away for about 4 hours and come back and see where the market is. Or yeah, and then we trade the Asian market too, and I also trade late night. So literally every day, right? All night. That's what it is. What account size that you're requesting, Jay? That's the 150k that I requested a payout. That's the 150k. So the money's already out, I think, if I'm not wrong. Just want to kind of make sure. All right, so we get a little bounce. It's not looking bearish at all. All right. What is going on? Perfect play in the house. What is up, brother? Shadow Nashi. What is Billinox? Billinox is a PROPFIRM. I kept getting stopped out because your drawdown was so low and I had tight stop. Blew that. Yeah, shit him out. It's everybody has that problem, including myself. I'm not gonna lie. We just gotta try to see if we can do less of that mistake. Tiger, read my messages. Yes, sir. I'm reading. What did you say? Wow. That's SoCal Lab. Over $6,000 green yesterday. Wow, look at you, man. And that passed. Ooh, nice. SoCal Lab, good job, brother. Good job. Wow, good job. Any day lower than your highest day is a flip day. More than 3 flip days in 10 days, no payout. Oh, Bowser. Okay, I see. Yeah. I'm not sure what my situation is in my accounts with the Billionox, but I know I flipped a few times, so. But I'm gonna definitely need more than 10 days anyways, right? I probably have to trade for about 15 days to request the payout. Do you think Billionox is gonna do anything beyond Rhythmic? I heard they are trying to get to Tradevate, but I'm not going to kind of, if they do, that's great. If they're not, I'm just gonna keep trading the way it is. We got a lot of firms out there. It doesn't necessarily have to be like, oh, I'm gonna wait till Billionox get to Tradevate. You know what I mean? Everybody else does it, right? You got everybody else. Tradify, Lucid, Take Profit Twitter, Apex, and who else? Funded Next, My Funded Futures, and everybody is doing that. So Tiger, tell Apex to go back to 90%. They need to do something they haven't changed in a while. I mean, honestly, that's probably the beautiful thing about Billionox, not changing anything. You know what I mean? Just leave it as this. Billionox, just stay as this. We have a nice, beautiful, that $2,500 drawdown actually makes a huge difference. When you think about Billionox, now we're kind of imagining Billionox is a firm that would never change anything, right? That's great. That's great. Just leave it as this. All right, guys. In the meantime, sorry, I've been yapping here. Been yapping. I just maybe kind of got a little excited there with finally getting to a payout with the top step. I'm happy that we finally got some payout here, and all we had to do is, make some more better trades and look for more payouts. It was a tough one, yeah. I mean, it was tough. All right, so are we going to end up getting a bounce? I'm gonna get in with one micro, guys. I'm gonna get in with one micro just to kind of test the water. Order filled. Right? Better off just try to be on a trade. With one micro, test the water. I want to see where this thing goes. In the meantime, just keep in mind we got above this pivot, right? Things are looking more bullish. I think more bullish. At some point, I think we're gonna try to kiss the mid 200s, and we'll see, guys. I think the market may try to celebrate that with the big hopes that we're gonna have a successful meeting with Trump and Xi Jinping. I think Trump is on his way. I had a little phone call, and he was apparently on his way. So so Caleb, honestly, I don't know. I don't really pay attention to what's better for Top Step. I just kind of stick to what I know. That's the traditional, not the traditional, the original. Original, what was that again? Is that without consistency, right? That's what I stick to. Is it? I think so. Yeah. So yeah. So that's with no consistency. What I trade. I don't like the new version, with the consistency and all that. Just forget about it. Not my thing. Drive you. Oh yeah. And by the way, guys, funded next $69.50 for a 50K account. Just keep in mind though, it is a great account. It is a great account. There is a consistency though. You gotta kind of have to work with. That's 40%. So, but the target's only 25. But the downside is you have a max loss limit, $1,500. And then the max payout that you can request in a given time would be $1,500 on a 50K. But I think the price that you're paying right now, and if you're kind of struggling to get payouts, just like the way I am right now, I'm struggling to get a payout now, and so I like the price, and I'm trading that. Yeah, take profit trader, 50K. Yeah, take profit trader, guys. That's a pretty smoking deal. Yeah, that 50% off ends on Sunday. That's right. We still have a few more days to go. So this is the second time that you reached live on Tradified. Nah. Oh, and you blew on the same day. Robert Sines. I mean, I don't want to be too negative, but as soon as I get my live account on my Lucid, I have a feeling I'm gonna blow it because I got too excited, right? Anything that's fairly new to me, I get a little excited and I end up blowing. Anything that's fairly new. What's the best membership type? You mean the account type? The only thing you want to go after is the 50K on with Billinox, nothing else. Everything else, the price really does not make sense. I don't even know why they would do that. The activation fee for 150K on Billinox, for example, it's like $600, something like that. It really doesn't make sense. The only thing you want to go after is the 50K. So that's $19 eval, and of course the 148 for the activation, and that's really the only one that kind of makes sense. I like Billinox. That $2,500 in this sort of a PROPFIRM space. That's probably one of the very few firms who still carry on with that big drawdown. That's $2,500 drawdown, right? So it's going to be hard to lose that account unless you full port like StockTiger. All right, guys, we are grinding higher, and I almost kind of feel like I may have to chase this bad boy. Guys. It looks like it wants to just pierce through that right now, and I'm trading in eval right now, and I need $500 to pass, and I want to do that right now. So they've already taken my money out on the. Yeah, the top step, the money's already out. So I'm just gonna have to trade. I can trade, but I want to get another payout with TS, so I'm gonna have to take it very slow. Maybe go for very base hits so I can take another round of a payout. And 20, 30, 5, 4 grand. Yeah, I'd like to take another 2 grand at least, minimum 2 grand. And then go aggressive. All right, guys, we're getting a bounce here, guys, in the market. MNQ trading with 1 micro right now. I may have to take a stab here, guys. It's just not giving me a chance to get in to a trade. So so Benny Ford, I wish your code worked for Reset Pro. So for Take Profit Trader resets, they don't have like none of the codes actually work, right? So they have a flat rate for resets for the Pro. So nobody can, nobody has access to adding a code for the Reset Pro, right? What's the VWAP from the last few sessions? 215. Miss K 995. What is going on? Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's take a look and see what's up with this. I think it's at 181 here. Man, I'm telling you, man, I am so like, I'm trying my level best to get into a trade. In the meantime, I'm not trying to force myself, but But I kind of like it to the upside, guys. That's what I see at the moment. It almost kind of feels like we could pierce through this, and then you know, we gotta pivot though. Is this market going to give us a chance? I would like to see a little bit of a pullback now. See a little bit of a pullback now, and then we try to get an explosive move that could probably another. We're at 183 now. We have a chance of a bounce into 300 tonight, right? So that's literally about 120 points up from here. And I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we end up getting a bounce into 300. This market is just so wild and crazy, guys. I mean, really crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy. So again, I want to pull back here. So I want to pull back. So, all right. So with the funded next, the 90% performance reward add-on is if you pay an extra $15. So if you pay an extra $15, it becomes a 90% split. So that's the add-on, right? For the funded next, it's $69. It's $69, right, on a 50K account. And then if you want to have a 90% split, then you're gonna have to pay extra $15. Me personally, I ain't gonna add anything. I'm just gonna go with the 50Ks, the regular $69.99. That's it. At the end of the day, for me, it's going to be about payouts, right? I need a payout. It doesn't really matter if it's gonna be $2,000 or if it's gonna be 15 grand, $1,500. The target is the payout, right? You want to get to the payouts on multiple accounts at multiple times. At the end of the day, these are all gonna add up. And if I'm gonna be paying $69 on a 50K account, I would do that any day. Gastoni in the house, what is up, man? Literally got into the buys when you say buy. Oh, see. All right, guys, I'm not gonna say anything right now, guys. This is not a signal channel. We don't give any signals, including our fellow traders on the chat as well. I know some of you guys are calling out buy, but no signal service, no course. We're just trying to have some fun here, fellow traders, guys. Definitely here. Yeah, exactly. Worst thing is to depend on the signals. Exactly. But I mean, well, it's not. Well, I don't know. I mean, I suspect there's a lot of channels, right, with giving signals. Yeah. Be very clear. Not a financial advice. Clearly in entertainment purposes. You'll never really learn how to trade it. And yeah, exactly. That's right. Yeah. ASTS, what is that? ASTS will help with signals. Oh, see, Breezy. By the way, I was just kidding. Tiger, your email to claim 25 winner giveaway. Just hop onto our Discord, brother. Hop onto the Discord and talk to me. All right? Send me a friend request and I'll go ahead and take care of your account. Oh, are you the winner of last night? Are you? I'm not sure. MMXM, bruh. Learn, study how to trade. All right. You messed up, blew 2 funded accounts this week trying to short the market. Well, you blew 2 funded accounts this week. And we already 3 days passed. Well, I lied. Not 3 days. 2 days passed. Yeah, 2 days passed. That's better. All right, guys. I mean, I'm looking for a little pullback here so I can actually hop on a long. I'm going to try to see. All right, so kind of like to see a pullback into, I would say, 160, or maybe, I mean, minor pullback into the 160, right? And then maybe a deeper pullback into the 150, and then we end up, and then we try to get a nice little break to the upside. I prefer this. So either case, if we get a bounce off that initial pullback from the VWAP, it's fine. I'm still going to take a stab and try to go a little aggressively. We'll see, guys. Funded next accounts. I'm trading here. I've got 5 accounts. The 2 accounts is a regular one. 2 accounts is a regular. I don't even know which one's a regular one anymore. They all look the same to me. So
order filled.
I got 5 accounts, but I may be buying another 5. I don't know. It's $69. I mean, it's no brainer for me. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback. You have 3 micros. That's the VWAP now. We're at the VWAP here. So we're at the VWAP, guys. That's the minor little pullback here that we just got. Are we going to get a bounce off this level now? Or do we get one more deeper pullback here into the 150s? Anyways, I placed a whole bunch of orders anyways, so we'll see if we could fill some of those and then look for the bounce. If we end up pulling back with no bounce, then I probably would get out of my trade at 120 area, 110. Yeah, funded next allows only 5, max 5 accounts, but you can have evals too. So as soon as you lose funded account, you can roll into, pass a few evals. So you can have 5 funded accounts, but you can also have multiple evals at the same time. So I don't think that's a problem. I don't like their 150 flex because that's 249. To me, I think 249. If I'm going to be paying 249 for the flex 150, I might as well just go after Take Profit Twitter, because Take Profit Twitter right now 47%. Sorry, no, 50% off. It's $180 on Take Profit Twitter, right, with the 150s. And then also you also have Top Step, but Top Step with the DLL account, right? DLL 150k with DLL. That's I think 205. I like the Take Profit Twitter $180. I think that's probably the best you can ever get, in my opinion. So with funded next, I would just, if it's me, that's obviously what I did. I'm just gonna go after 50k flex, and that's really all I'm gonna do, right? And the goal is to really go aggressive right at the start, right? Just like the way I traded Lucid accounts, right? That's what I did. You know, I had multiple accounts. I have 5 funded accounts. I'm gonna try to be very aggressive on the first 2. And then try to get above, a certain number. So that almost kind of guarantees my payout. And go a little slow on the rest of the other 3 accounts. We'll see. What is your win rate? It really depends. I mean, my win rate sometimes is like 40%, 30%. So it really depends. Every day is going to look very different, right? It's that's a when you're trading on a profit space, bro, like win rate, honestly, I don't know if that really matters. You could blow, let's say 50 accounts, and a couple payouts is gonna just pay off all your loan accounts. So if you want to talk about the win rate from that perspective, you're probably only about 20%, right? But give or take my average, I would say, I mean, which firm actually gives you the win rate? Let me just take a look and see, you guys, 1 second. All right, so I'm just gonna give you guys an example of the top step right now. Right, so if you see my win rate here is 70%. So, right, Akram, you see the win rate there? That's the 70%. Okay. 70%. All right, so we looks like we get a little bounce. All right, I'm gonna change my game plan here. I'm gonna get rid of all this limit orders that I placed. Okay, just gonna get rid of it, and I'm gonna have to take a stab now, because I ain't gonna wait till, you know, we get a pullback in the market. I just don't think that's what it's gonna try to do here. So I'm gonna get rid of all this, and I'm gonna try to play micro scalp here. And by the way, on the right hand side, this is a 200 tick chart. This is a tick chart 200, right? So on the left hand side, you're seeing a 15 minutes chart. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna try to do. So I've got 6 micros right now, and let's see what it does. We held the VWAP here. We held the VWAP, and I've got 6 micros. So if we I will add on a bounce into the 190. No pullback to the moon. I mean, never know. Never know, guys. Never know. Any headlines we get negative, I think we could be in a little trouble. You wish Lucid can come up with daily payouts like FF and Take Profit Trader. Scalpster, honestly, I don't know. You know, I mean, you're gonna have to have a nice blend. Everything daily payouts, I don't think that's a good idea. I'll be honest, I've taken more payouts on accounts that you're kind of forced to trade few days or more, right? Give or take. My daily payouts are far less versus, you know, accounts that I have to trade for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days for that matter. And maybe that's because the only daily payout accounts that I have was in the past Take Profit Trader, right? So that's the only thing that I had. But even now, if you really think about it, the only daily payout account that I have now is Take Profit Trader, because I changed the Tradify to 5 days. The Tradify, I had an option to go either with daily payouts or with 5 days payout, and I went with the 5 days, guys. I decided not to go with the daily payout. Why? Because the Tradify daily payout has a DLL, and I didn't want to deal with the DLL number 1, and I didn't want to get too exposed to the daily payout accounts. With Take Profit Trader, there's no DLL, right? It's an intraday trailing drawdown, but there's no DLL. So we are good to go there. So I'm most probably just going to have daily payout accounts with Take Profit Trader, and everything else is going to be like few days of trading. And Lucid was great. 5 days of trading with Lucid. I absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved Lucid. Trading 5 days, I think that was amazing. I had absolutely no problem with that, guys. You know, and with no consistency on that account, bang, on the first day, let's say you make $3,000, guys. $3,000 on the first day, and then it's like you only have to do is make another $150 for the next 4 days, and you're kind of guaranteed, almost kind of guarantee a payout. So with that in mind, you have that confidence and some sort of an assurance that you are going to get a payout, right? So you could now start to get a little more aggressive with the other accounts that you have, right? That's how you kind of build up. That was great. You know, I think Listed Flex is definitely one of the hotter accounts to have. Almost kind of feels like a must-have accounts, but anyways, everybody's different. I heard some traders say Lucid is no, 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 which I don't know. I had no idea. To me, Lucid Flex, it was definitely the one. You know, I was literally at the verge of getting an explosive momentum to get a lot of payouts with Lucid Flex, but damn, guys, you know, they moved me to live. All the momentum that I built, it's kind of like disappeared. No, I'm waiting for my Lucid live account. I'm trading Lucid. I'm just waiting for. I'm just elevated live. I'm just waiting for my live account. I've you know, I mean, every PROPFIRM are literally the same. You know, they're gonna take a few weeks to get you to live, in my opinion. Coach Fred, live will work in AB. So, no. Long story short, no. But apparently this is how it is, okay? Tradeway, no, right? Tradeway doesn't work. So you can't go live with Tradeway, but you can go live with Rhythmic. So Lucid has given me an option to go with Rhythmic, and I said yes, of course. And then so they're working through the process of getting me to the live through Rhythmic. What is your live starting balance? I have no idea. I think it's 25, if I'm not wrong. It's a small little amount, though. I mean, what am I going to do with those, right? Small amount. With Apex, I only do trailing drawdown. Only trailing drawdown on the 50Ks. That's all I do. I know it's not easy for some, but for me it's fine. And I've been trading trailing drawdown accounts, guys, right from the start. That's how I started my journey, right? So all right, guys, I am going to long with the other accounts that I have. Five-minute short. I think we're gonna break out, guys. I think I would like to cautiously
order filled.
Say we are going to break out. Cautiously, guys, cautiously. Okay. So I'm gonna get into a swing trading mode with my top step, and I'm also gonna try to get into some trades with the Apex as well. 1 second. It is, yes, it is harder with the Apex trailing drawdown because it's got a DLL now. It's got a DLL. So that's why it's harder. And then the drawdown's only $2,000. So the only thing that's really changed is that you got a DLL, right? And on top of that, the drawdown's only $2,000. So you're kind of working with, you know, with a lot of restrictions there. I'm gonna... Wow, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. And I've got 6 contracts. You guys are wanting this market to pump. Annoying price action. Those top wicks, a higher time frame. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't pay too much attention to the top wick. Really. The daily melange. Trailing DL scares the poo-poo out of you. Yeah, for some people it is. Apex lifetime is back at 69. What does that mean? Really? So the promotion is back again? Okay. So I'm sharing my Discord link. No, just the activation 69. Oh, I see. Okay. But you're gonna have to pay much higher price for the values of what it is. That's all right, guys. We get a little bounce. We get a little bounce. I'm gonna risk 63. Okay. Okay, back to the Tradify. I want to add, but I want to wait. We just got above the VWAP, but I'd like to see this thing get above 180 to give me a better confluence. Chan the algo is the Apex PA. According to what everybody else is saying, it's $69 on a 50K account. But I don't know about the eval though. So you're going to have to take a look and see how much you're paying for the eval and see. Because the promo literally just ended, right? So All right. Yes, you would never want to. Oh, hold on, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. I mean, how much of a pullback? It's just literally about 10 points, but nonetheless, it's a pullback. I want to see this thing get above 180, though. I really do. We really have to get above 180. It just kind of feels like last night. Just kind of feels like last night. I'm gonna have to be a little careful. I mean, my trading journey would have been a lot worse, by the way. It could have been a lot worse, but thanks to, I guess, not copy trading, I think it's really helped me to not like completely blow out, right? I think if I ended up copy trading, I would have literally lost all my accounts by now. I'm gonna be very honest, man. I don't think I am disciplined in my opinion, but I have a lot of distractions during the day, and with that sort of a distraction you get during the day, you're gonna have to. Well, not you're gonna have to, but I mean, it's easy to get distracted, and a small little distraction can lead you to really get into a tilting mode and really end up blowing all the accounts that you have. And that's just the reality of trading, right? You know? And that's really the reason why I don't copy trade, because, you know, there's definitely a lot of that distraction around me. And so if you're gonna screw up, you know, screw one account, screw up second account, and as soon as you get to the third account, you blow that account, you're kind of going, okay, well, oh, something is not right about this. I better stay away from trading today. And that's what you gotta do. But let's say if you are copy trading 5 or 6 or 7 accounts, or maybe 10 accounts for that matter, and one little mistake, you're done. Do you recommend copy trading? I cannot say if it's good or bad. I know it's not working out very nicely for me. So for me, I'm just going to stick to, you know, no copy trading, but I probably would copy trade maybe a few accounts, maybe here and there. And that's, I mean, 10 to 15% of the time I would copy trade. And even then it's like few accounts right at a time. So, oh, Revamp, you're trading single account at a time. You learned your lesson. I mean, copy trading is not bad, right? So if you're doing really well, then you may want to take advantage of copy trading, right? But if you're not, then you may want to just trade one account at a time. So here, we get a little rejection, man. We're just getting a little rejection here. Looks like we get a little pullback as well. I'm pulling back into the 160. Got rejection off the VWAP. We're pushing down. So I've got 3 trades at the moment. I've got Apex on the other side. Oh, I also have XFA too. But the XFA is only 1 micro, so that's fine. Am I bullish tonight? I would say I'm slightly more bullish tonight. I mean, I may be wrong, but we'll see how it goes. Use copy trade only with A+ setups, Jane. I mean, lately, I don't even know what's A+ setup anymore. I don't even know. You have much more bad experience with copy trading than 1x1. Koyo Dongo, that's right. Nasty grab, 9320. Raj Taze, what is going on, brother, man? Long time no see. Price will come back to the 5-minute fair value gap to decide which direction. X Tromus. So we got a nice little bounce off that 160. So let's try to see if we can actually hold this. Looks kind of murky. So we'll let this price action do its thing. See if we get a bounce in the market, guys. And then and decide what we want to do thereafter. I'm just grateful again and again and again to see myself getting into the payout mode again. So that's good. Yeah, I've got to get some more Bulanox evals too. Yeah, I lost one today, man. So bad. So mean. The market has been so mean to StockTiger. Oh, man. It just really kind of feels so bad. Code Tiger. Thank you guys for using my code. Tiger, Tiger. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Raj Tis. Guys, man, we are getting a nice little bounce. Let's see if we can actually hold this. All right. A little rejection. Nothing truly that significant. Ain't gonna panic. Oh, I may have to panic now. I may have to panic now. Oh yes, we have a. Well, depends. I mean, do we do a giveaway here tonight? What a chop of dome. Sneaky market move. Uh-oh, guys. 1 sec. 1 minute though. 1 minute though. This is no bueno right now, guys. No bueno. No bueno. So my risk here right now is Apex at $200. That's what my risk is. Oh!
Stop filled.
You've got to be... What? Come on!
Order filled.
What the hell was that? Man, what a dirty. Oh, man. My Kiko. Well, that's what happens when you have a stop there. I should have literally... Guys, man, there's something's cooking right now. I'm gonna... All right, I'm gonna exit. Well, not... Oh, shit. I don't know. I've got 2 contracts here, but... And I'm getting pretty close to getting stopped out on my Apex accounts, too. I don't even know what the hell's going on right now, guys. We got new hour in about 3 minutes as well. Bearish. I'm not happy, man. What the heck? What the henko? What the henko? Oh. Oh. Did I just get disconnected? 1 second, guys. I wonder if I got disconnected, guys. Am I disconnected right now? Guys, looks like a rejection here. I don't want to be risking this. It looks bearish. Oh man, what a nasty pullback here. Hold on. Are we gonna get the same kind of a pullback here like last night? All right, let me try to risk a little more. Okay, I'm risking about $400 on the Apex, man. It does look bearish, though. It does look bearish, guys. You're going long? I mean, I'm actually thinking about just getting out of my trades and kind of watching this play out and give this a little bit of time to play out, because the last thing I want to do is hold this trade and it's kind of down. Actually, you know, I also have XFA too. XFA, I'm only down about $50. So 148 is where we at. So it's gonna be kind of. Oh, look at that bounce, man. Oh my god, really?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, man. I'm pretty much. I don't know if I want to call this a potting, but I will get out of this trade on a pullback into the 142. That's the initial low. And that's it, and we'll see what happens. I've got 20 contracts here, 20 micros. That's all I could get anyway. So I don't want to put a hard stop, man. Not right now. If I put a hard stop, it's gonna stop me out and get a bounce. I would rather just do it manually, just get out of the trade manually, just in case we end up pulling back, and then see how it goes. I want to exit my Apex though. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna exit my Apex accounts. I'm gonna get rid of my trades on my Apex, and I'm gonna get rid of the XFA trade as well. Even though we could get a bounce, I don't want to get into a situation like last night when I had 4 accounts like straight down, right? So if I'm gonna be down, I want to be down on one account. Just makes me feel a lot comfortable. Yes, so I am down about $100 on the Apex. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should. No, I don't want to do that. Maybe. Oh, hold on 1 second. 1 micro. Get it with 1 micro again. And which other account I was trading? Yeah, that's one. Oh my god. All right. It's looking bearish, man. I don't know, man. I have no idea. It's starting to look very bearish. We could see a pullback here into the 29,000 if we can't hold this. And that's not, yeah, that's not good. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. Something is not looking good. I have no idea what is going on, guys. Just let's stay a little patient and let this play out. Zero cool. What is going on, man? Stack money in the house. The Secope Lab. Oh, you guys are shorting? Oh, we got a lot of shorters here tonight, eh? You got a lot of shorters. Guys, we got a giveaway here. We're gonna do Apex account giveaway. Go ahead and start typing in !Tiger. And of course, at the same time, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 350 likes. And in the meantime, we're getting a pullback, man. What am I doing? No, I got out of my XFA trade. This is not looking good at all, man. What the hell is this? Ugh. Is something brewing under the surface as far as the headline is concerned? Are we getting any headline news that's maybe coming out? Oh, okay. So I think we're getting a South Korean employment. Only 74,000 jobs created versus 200,000. So unemployment rate also rise from 2.7 to 2.8. So we got a little bit of a bad news from Korea. Oh man. Only $1,000 drawdown? What the hell? Something is not right about this. Let me just get rid of this trades. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this trade, guys. Let's just get rid of this. I mean, something's just not feeling. Something's just not right about this price action. So I'm gonna have to kind of wait. Now, Haley, are you invested in Korea? No, I'm not. No, I'm invested in the India market. India. The, what do you call this? Indian ETF. Oh, fuck me, man. Getting a bounce now. Oh my god, guys, man. I can't. Oh. I can't trade this. This is so stupid. It's not. I don't know. Okay, let me just zoom out, guys. Let me just zoom out 1 second. I'm gonna have to move back to 1 minute chart. I'm gonna move to 1 minute chart, guys. 1 minute. Oh, I see. I was in a tick chart. No wonder. I was kind of thinking this is a 1 minute chart. It was a tick chart. Fuck. I completely made a mistake. That's my bad. It's a tick chart that I was in, but I was kind of thinking it was a 1 minute chart. So I was like, why is it moving so much? It's okay. All right. We had a nice solid bounce of the low at 28,753 during the intraday in New York. Got a bounce into the 170. I mean, I would say we have a good chance. We have a good chance of a bounce, but my only thing is, how deep of a pullback we're gonna get. Are we gonna get something like this here tonight? You know what I mean? Or are we gonna get something of a minor pullback and that's it? What is it gonna be here? You know what I mean? That's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, I'm not sure. Right, so we got a nice little support here kind of waiting in that 98. So that could be a spot to trot along. But anything underneath 41, I think that's where I think it's going to start to break. So we could get a deeper pullback and that could take us down into the 50s. Or we just kind of stop right in that 98 and get a bounce. Oh, well, it kind of sucks. I got caught in the wrong move. It was just going up and down, and I was like, I did not realize. I know I did set up a tick chart, but as soon as I got into trades, I was like thinking it's a 1 minute chart. So you guys think it's gonna get down to 28,800 area? Really? And that's kind of interesting to see yourself thinking we end up pulling back into the 800 area. And look at that bounce, guys. Really, I'm just so a little disappointed at myself. This could just merely be a little oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, let's do this. 10 contracts. Gonna try to
order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I've only got $900 drawdown, guys. Not good.
Order filled.
If we pull back, if you pull back here, yeah, I guess I'm gonna be in trouble, of course. 140. Yeah, I've got 10 micro, and I'm also in a trade with the Apex account as well. Oh, I did take off on the XFA, so I don't have the XFA anymore. Oh man.
Stop filled.
Me, man. I don't know. I just kind of feel like I'm getting played. Take a little step back. Man, I have no idea. It's not a small amount. It's like 40 points up and down, but yeah, I have no position anymore. Just kind of watching. I don't want to get played. 1 second, guys. I just kind of wait. Getting a bounce now. Fuck, man. I'm not sure what this is gonna do though. Let's take a zoom in. Zoom in. 140. Man, that thing really pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie. It really did piss me off. I just got literally played, and I'm an idiot myself. Just getting played with this market. And literally, it's only down like 40 points. Incredible. We're dealing with 400 points in the morning, and we're kind of like struggling to get something going. 40 points. I can't believe this. I can't believe I'm down $1,300. Oh my god. I don't even know what the hell's going on. I can't believe I'm down $1,300.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try to short. I want to try to short, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't have a lot of drawdown on this, so most probably it's gonna be right here. So I've got a trade here, and then I also do want to place an order.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so let's see what, guys. Let's see what happens now. We are in 2 trades. I'm short on 2 trades.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm going to take one off. Actually, let me just risk. Yeah, I'm gonna risk about $200 on the XFA, and yeah, so $200 risking on XFA, and I'm literally risking an account on the Tradify. So we'll see what happens now. Looks like we are. I don't even know. We'll see if we can let it play out. I'm not gonna try to take profits off the table too soon, but I will try to take one down here, one down here as well. All right, so here we are, guys. Here we are. Let's see. Let's see what it does. I'm short on both sides. All right. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here with us. Keep in mind, we got a giveaway happening here tonight. Exclamation Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate. And then just make sure to hit that notification bell as well to see StockTiger go live every night and twice a week in the mornings as well, guys. And don't forget to smack the like, everybody. If you guys want to support the channel, we will call out the winner at about, I would say, I think 300 likes. Am I mad? I'm not mad. I'm just sad. I'm just sad. Why would I get mad, guys? Why would I get mad? I mean, it's just, at the end of the day, it's your fault, right? What could you do? You just made some really bad calls, and that's it. And I just, first of all, it's my mistake, because I was thinking the tick chart was a 1 minute chart. And when it was kind of moving really a lot, I thought it was really volatile. And I think I kind of got caught on that little, zoomed in volatility, which obviously was really nothing. Only about 30-40 points range, but so I'm risking about $200. Obviously, the account that really counts, that's the XFA. I'll just leave it as is. If I'm not getting, you know, chewed, then it's done. It is what it is. I've got only 2 positions now. One certified and one XFA. I was kind of thinking about getting into Apex, but then it's like too much. I'm honestly not good at getting into like anything beyond 2. I feel very uncomfortable. So what's the point? So by getting into Apex, I'm like 4. So that's no good. That's no good. Usually I would just get into 1, but lots of wicks, guys. Up and down, up and down. Do I see this breaking to the downside? Initial let's see, guys. I mean, 114. 114, maybe 100. 114. Yeah, this market is bad, guys. This market is definitely bad. Do I move my stop to break even? I wouldn't want to do that right now. Maybe this is bullish, guys. Bullish? Now I kind of feel like I'm on the wrong side again. Incredible. Yeah, man, I'm starting to not like this to the short side too, but I'm already in, so we'll just leave it as is. Yeah, just like what MVP said, this could be a decade bounce too. Who knows? Yeah, I made some really bad mistake right at the start. Honestly, not a good way to trade. A very bad example. Let's see. I mean, if I can get something going on my XFA, that really literally covers for the bad trades on the Tradify. But the Apex, I'm down about 150, so that's fine. 150 bucks. I'll take it back tomorrow morning. Probably not a good idea to try to get it back tonight. Are we getting a bounce now? I don't know. Shit, guys. Looks like looks like a bounce. Oh my god. It looks like a bounce, guys. Looks like a bounce, right? I mean, if you just take a look from here on the top step one, we need a breakdown here, of course, in order to feel bearish. But I could see this thing doing this as well, or we try to break down and then get a bounce. Okay, so let's just leave it as is for now. See how it goes. I am short. Just want to let me just get rid of this. Just man, horrible, guys. My trading today is horrible. I'm making a lot of silly mistakes, but it's okay, guys. I mean, as long as we are all here. I hope you guys are banking though. Did anybody did anybody catch the move to the downside here right from the start while I was trying to go long? Yeah, horrible, guys. I didn't do good. Like you see me, man. I'm literally down everywhere. I'm down everywhere. Just so bad. It's been 2 straight bad trading in the last 2 days of Globex, guys. It's a lot worse than trading in the morning on my phone. So this is no bueno, guys. No bueno. And no pasa nada. So Caleb is up 472 with the wick hunting aggressive. Nice. Daisy trades. My goat. My cat StockTiger. You are short now, Super B guy. Well, you are a good trader. Mr. James Kim. How's it going, James Kim? Nice. Woo! $4,000 payout request on Tradify Select Daily account tonight. Beautiful, James Kim. Good job. Good job, bro. A big shout out to James Kim for his big payout. 4,000, that's a lot. I'm probably thinking that's the 150K account. Good job, though. Good job, brother. At least your Take Profit Trader account is up. Nice. Let's go. G-Band. Oh, 4 accounts. Look at you, hey? 4 accounts, $1,000, man. That's good. That's good. I'm going to join the payout party. I've done my request too. $3 grand. And I'm going to be requesting another $700 with the with Take Profit Trader right now. As soon as Take Profit Trader dashboards get updated in about 30 minutes, I'll be requesting $730. So that's good. Alright, guys, I'm going to take one off the table on the top step one.
Order filled.
Guys, I'm out down. I'm going to move my stop to break even here, guys. Move my stop to break even on the XFA. You, I don't know where this is gonna go, man. No idea. All I know is StockTiger is shorting. Holy mozzarella! Look at that, eh, guys?
Order filled.
Am I gonna get paid? Am I gonna get paid here?
Order filled. Order filled.
No stop, guys. No stop. Oh, 85. Why is this daily P&L not getting updated? All right, guys. Not so shabby here. Not so shabby. Not as bad. Maybe should have held. Oh. Well, we got to bounce off that EMA, by the way. 126. Are we going to just keep grinding down? Is that what this market is trying to do? Holy mochaccino, guys. The mochaccino is unreal. That hurts. That kind of hurts. Oh, did I not start the giveaway? Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, we already in, yeah. Guys, we got over 250 tickets right now. If you guys are missing out, just type in !Tiger, right? Type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate. And guys, don't forget, we'll call out the winner as soon as we get to over 300 likes. We're kind of missing about 60 likes right now. So let's go ahead and smack the like at the same time. !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate, guys. We are getting a little bit of a dumpage right now, which is great. I I'm down a lot on my Tradify, but on the account that matters, I'm up. So I kind of
Order
like what I see
filled.
so far. Guys, we are pulling back. Hey, look at that, hey? Look at that, guys. What a nasty pullback here. I think that's what I guess this market was trying to do all throughout this process. Incredible frappuccino. Looks like a little pullback here. So I kind of like what I see. I'm going to try to hold this and see what happens here. So I'm not losing anything here at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna still be up on my XFA, and the only thing is the Tradify is kind of hurt a lot. Still down about $1,100. And we got oh yeah, perfect play. Thank you so much, brother, for letting me know, man. I completely forgot about Tokyo too, and just like every day, StockTiger always forgets about Tokyo, right? I'm like 1 minute before Tokyo. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there's a lot of times where StockTiger would just literally get into a trade very aggressively out of nowhere, right 2 minutes before Tokyo open. And I kind of realized, oh, I'm in a trade. We got Tokyo in 2 minutes. What am I going to do now? All right, fellow traders, we are pulling back here. Thank you everybody once again for being here with us every single night. Globex 5:30 p.m. StockTiger goes live. We also go live in the mornings too, at least twice a week. And if you guys want to hang out with StockTiger with the highest losing trade, highest losing rate, you guys are most welcome to hang out. But you gotta hit that notification bell though, if you guys want to get notified every time I go live in the morning. In the morning. All right, guys. Am I short? I am short right now with 2 trades. 2 trades short. And I'm going to try to see if I can hold this, guys. But, man, I'm down a lot on this Tradify, though. I messed up completely, everybody. I messed up. Guys, I'm going to go a little aggressively here.
Order filled.
Oh my god! No! Oh! What a perfect timing to freaking try to add to my short position. What an awesome time. What an awesome time, StockTiger!
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Pull back, pull back, pull back.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. I'm down to 7 now. All right, I got one more dip down. I'm gonna exit my trade on my XFA, and that's it. Oh, so Caleb, you're only $900 away from passing 2. Nice, bro. Good job, man. Good job. Good stuff.
Order filled.
Whoa, man, what the hell, guys? We're absolutely breaking down. All right, I think I'm gonna close that trade on that XFA. I'm kind of done with it.
Order filled.
Just kind of lock it out as well. 1 second. I wanna.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Thank you, everybody, for being here with us. Man, you guys are awesome, man. Every single night, guys. Every single night you guys are here trading side by side. I mean, it just cannot get any better than that, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, everybody. Brave day. We lose some. We win some. We lose some. Exactly. That's right. Exactly. And guys, we got. You know, I'm gonna do two giveaways tonight. 2 giveaways. Okay.
Order filled.
We're gonna do 2 tonight. It's gonna be literally for everybody, but members get extra tickets anyway. So I'm just gonna combine the both and just kind of do. Guys, all I really ask for right now is just, you know, show some love, smack the like, everybody. That's really all I'm gonna ask. Right? We're gonna go ahead and do a couple more giveaways here tonight. Let's try to have some fun. You know, I really appreciate everybody for being here every single night. You know, always try to find a way to give back to the community. Guys, look. Oh, look at the pullback here. Look at the pullback. Wow. All right. Wow, guys. Whoa. Man. Wow. Oh, I haven't even started trading my funded next, guys. I haven't started trading funded next. Keep in mind, funded next $69 for a 50K account. That's the new flex account that they came up with. And I've got out of the 5-year right now, there's 2 of them. Well, 2 of them the regular legacy, and I've got 3 accounts that's the flex right now. I'm gonna be loading some more, of course, to trade them. Wow, man, it just keeps going down. So I just literally got all my drawdowns back, which is crazy. Yeah, I know exactly. We had, you know what? That's what it is, right? I mean, that's what it is. But sometimes, you know, it's, you know, I tell you why it was hard for me to go with 5 minutes. I'll tell you why we had, because I only had so much drawdown. I only had $600 drawdown when I took a stab on the straight to the downside. And guess what? 600 drawdown with 5 mini contracts. The math doesn't work. You know what I mean? Balder trade, you still bullish? I'm not. Well, I'm not. Apparently, StockTiger's not bullish anymore. Funded next pays through rise. That's right. They pay through rise. They pay through rise with funded next. $300 away from passing. So Caleb, anybody catch that move to the downside, guys? Anybody catch that move? Wow, it's, man. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean, right? Range app Bowie. That's exactly what I meant. That's probably the reason why I did not go with the mini contracts, of course. Yeah, funded. Oh, I didn't know they go with the crypto. Yeah, I don't really deal with crypto transactions, so I don't know. I just go with the rise ones. The rise are actually pretty good, you know. You did close? Nice. Well, I think I mean, putting my P&L aside for now, I think it was a pretty good solid trade we got into. We kind of managed our risk, and we made some calls to try to take a step on a short side after realizing that maybe my long thesis was not right, just like what Bowser just said. And now we may get a little bit of a decade bounce. I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. I'm gonna exit that trade right
Order
here.
filled.
I exit that trade right here, guys. I'm gonna kind of wait and see now. I want to see what sort of a bounce we're gonna get, because I'm out of my trades. I'm out of my trades right now. I know G-Man did, eh? Well, that's all on hindsight, right? That's what I'm talking about. It's, we can make analysis all day long, but are we going to actually execute the way we said we're going to? It's not easy. The executing is the most difficult part of this, right? You gotta be able to execute the trade, which it's hard sometimes. It sounds easy. I think swing trading is probably a lot easier, yeah. But some of my biggest profits that I made so far, I mean, honestly, comes through swing trading. Swing trading is probably the way to go. With a nice little day trading on the side, I would say 60-40, would be nice. Like swing trade on your personal accounts and then day trade with the prop accounts. Whatever. Tiger, you're up 946. Nice. So Caleb, good job, brother. Yeah, I know. B bands, man. If you're on the right side and you catch that move, and you're kind of swing trading, oh man, that's a lot of dollar. Yeah. You know what? Also, what kind of makes sense? Swing trading within intraday. I love this concept, bro. I love this concept. Swing trading within the intraday. Of course, you're putting your limit orders, you're putting your stop at certain levels, but you're giving yourself a lot of room and you're letting it play out. I don't really talk as much, but I do that, during the day. Like pre-market, sometimes I get into trade, and right before we get to the power hour, that's when I actually take a look at the market. And that's how I trade some of my accounts, by the way, like Billionox and Apex. I don't know. Just too many accounts. I don't know. It's kind of mixed up. You got one funded doing this style, swing more. That's right. Swing trading with the intraday, and one of the firms that allows you to swing trade, not just the overnight, but it also allows you to swing trade, between the sessions, like New York into the Asia. That's Phidias. Phidias obviously have the swing trading accounts that you can hold for as many days as you want. But you could end up blowing that account too, easily, if you're going with 1 or 2 mini contracts, and then it's like the market moves, you're gonna end up getting blown. So all right. Everything's gonna be all right. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right. Even with 2 micros, you probably end up getting blown. You're right. I absolutely agree. Somebody said my mic sounds actually a lot better now. Thank you so much. All right, my sound. Wait. They also have a static drawdown. Yeah, so right now I have static drawdown accounts with the so I have two accounts with them. Right? So I've got the static account with them. Phidias, this is the funded accounts, right? So I've got $232 profit on it, and I have another one here. That's $265. So I've got 2 static accounts with Phidias. I've had this for a while, and I haven't been trading these accounts in a long time. So these are 2 accounts that I have with them. So it's cool, to have like a few $100s profit on those. Let's see what happens. I probably end up. Hopefully, I don't get blown. I don't like blowing these accounts, but. Blowing is part of this journey, trading journey. You blew a lot of Lucid and MFF account for switching to Apex. Yeah. So Caleb, Golden, what is going on? Extremis, we bounce off that fair value gap. Let's go. Make the account blow you. All right, so here we go, guys. I kind of zoomed in on the larger time frame. So let's say that's a nice little bounce we actually got off at 79. Eventually, I guess the market ended up getting a little bit of a pullback. We did talk about this, and we said, are we going to get a minor pullback into the VWAP? Or do we get slightly of a deeper pullback into the 50s or 70s area? And we ended up getting a little bit of a deeper pullback that we knew, but I wasn't expecting that. So I'm down about $800. But now, what do we expect from this market? We are pretty. Well, I wouldn't say we are completely oversold, but I mean, we are relatively oversold from an RSI standpoint. So maybe try to get a bounce into the 118 and we end up pulling back. Is this the bottom though? That's the question. Is this the bottom? Which I don't know. I mean, the kind of a bounce that we got today, this morning, intraday, just does not. I mean, it's hard to say, but I guess it's kind of 50-50 at this point. I mean, we could end up pulling back here too, so who knows? It's getting harder and harder to kind of, you know. I mean, for me, it's getting harder and harder to go aggressive on my trades, right? Because the probability of this market moving in certain direction is getting lower and lower, right? So it's kind of getting to 50-50 at this point. A lot of cases. I mean, the bigger problem right now is not really bullish, right, or bearish. Every move that we get is over minimum over 150 points. So when you have this market kind of move about 150 points or more, and bare minimum 150, right? So we're kind of moving about 200-300 points. But when you have this sort of moves on a single, I don't know, every 10-15 minutes intraday, it's gonna get really hard to it's gonna get hard to hold on to your trades, number one, but you could easily end up blowing your accounts, you know. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do the giveaway.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh. All right, I'm going to close the entries, guys. I'm going to close the entries. And I'm going to call the winner. You got 45 seconds, right? You got to be clear. 45 seconds, okay? 45 seconds. Donna. Is it me you looking for? Donna! Come on, Donna! Donna, please! Tell me you are here! No! You want to pass it on? What does that mean? You want to give it to somebody else? I'll give it to somebody else? I'm not sure what that meant. Oh. 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 But why DLL though? There's no DLL. Oh, you're okay. So you have a problem with DLL accounts. You can go with trailing drawdown account too. Hold on one second. Oh. Oh. All right, I think. Okay, we'll give it to somebody else. We're gonna redo it again, guys. Yeah, that's what I meant, Casito. But I don't think Donna wants it. Okay. All right, we'll do it again, guys. We'll do it again. That was fun. All right, so here we are. But congrats, Donna. Donna. All right, here we go, guys. I'm going to pick the winner again. The market pulling back, by the way. DCA Gangmaster. What a name. All right, DCA Gangmaster. You got 45 seconds to let me know you are here with us. DCA Gang. Wow, guys. We are still continued. We are pulling back here. Further down. Gonna move my stop to the 92. All right, we got Mr. DCA Gang in the house, guys.
Stop filled.
What? What the hell, man? I got stopped out, guys. Hold on one second.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Mr. DCA Gangmaster, I'm gonna have to have you DM me on Discord, right? So you're gonna hop onto a Discord and send me a friend request so I can go ahead and take care of your account. Okay, that's one. And let's see if we can do another one here, guys, tonight. I'd love to do another one for you guys. So that's another one, you know, but let's try to see if we can actually get the likes to, yeah, just about 40 more likes. Let's go, everybody. Show some love. We got over 400 viewers right now. You got over 500 viewers right now in the house. Please take a few seconds. Yeah, I mean, if you've already got the ticket, then I don't. Oh, hold on one second. I'm gonna have to do it again. So resume the entries. I'm gonna resume the entries again. So you guys can go ahead and actually, you know what? I'm gonna redo it again, guys. One second. We're gonna do it again. Oh my god, this market's pulling back. 1 second, everybody. Shit. Oh my god. What? Ah!
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What?
Order filled.
What the hell, man? What the hell's going on?
Order filled.
I think this is gonna get cooked now. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I just got absolutely destroyed by the market, everybody. Not gonna lie.
Order filled.
Ah. Don't have drawdown now. I only got $300. What the fuck is this? Are we getting some headlines or what, guys? I mean, what the hell is going on right now? I can't trade this market anymore. I really can't do anything. Oh my god, that's Tokyo too. Yeah, fucking completely forgot about Tokyo too. Jeez. Yeah, I completely forgot Tokyo. Oh my fuck. Yo, man, I forgot Tokyo, but I don't know if this is Tokyo really. I'm probably there's something else. I don't know. Oh man, complete messed up. That's a 100 points up down. I got cooked nicely. It's okay, I'm down one account. Well, yeah, I got destroyed on that one. Man, that kind of sucks. I got absolutely played on that one. But something seems to be moving here. This almost kind of feels like we are trying to get a bounce, by the way. I'm gonna try the long here.
Order filled.
All right, so let's try to see if I can actually get something going. On an account that matters. I'll try to see if I can actually take a stab here. I'm gonna place my stop at the bottom wick. I mean, well, it's not good to get Guys, 1 second. What is do we think we get a pullback here? Is that what you're saying? I wonder what this is gonna try to do here. Do I try to short this? Oh man. Yeah, I got cooked on one account. Yeah. Am I gonna get cooked again? We'll see. We'll see what sort of a cooking we get for StockTiger here. One down, and I think I'm 2 up. 1 down, 2 up. But 1 down is pretty much the one down pretty much gone, I think. Now, I'd like to see if I can get something going here. The only thing is I'm just not sure. I wonder what this market is going to try to do here. See a little pullback. I'm looking for some signs. $111 is where we at. We got a view up at 130. I'm just kind of waiting here. 106. That's where this is gonna go. SK Hynix? Theodore, you trading SK Hynix? Looks bearish, guys. Looks bearish.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right. I did short. I'm trading this. Just not sure, man. We could be just chopping here in the range. I just don't want this to give us a wick and that, like a slap in the face. They're getting a bounce. That's a problem. Stop that! Stop that! No, no. 1 second. Don't want to get stopped out on this. I would like to see this pull back here, though. It almost really kind of feels like, we may break the structure here to the downside. You guys really see this. I'm kind of leaning more down. That will give us something like that. Give us a pull back into this level right here. I don't know if this is, I it almost kind of feels like this is where it's trying to get down to. So with that in mind, guys, I've got 3 micro here. I'm only in one position as you speak. So guys, so here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's see if we could flush it down. A quick little flush down is really all I need. Let's see if we break it down or we get a bounce, guys. Do we break it down here? Do we break it down? Just need a pull back into the 70s. I'm going to take one off table quickly here, guys. I'm down to 2 now. 2 last piece. I'm moving my stop to break even here as well. Well, maybe... yeah, I would rather get stopped out at the break even, guys. And then see what happens. I think I could get stopped out. Let's see if I get lucky.
Order
All right,
filled.
I got stopped out there. Gonna look for another one.
Order filled.
Let's try to see.
Order filled.
I kind of like this better.
Order filled.
And then we kind of try to roll down. And this is what I'm kind of thinking right now. Is this what this market is going to try to do? I mean, it's hard to say. But that's what I'm kind of leaning. I'm going to try to add some more on a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we're getting some serious bounce right now, guys. Serious bounce.
Order filled.
Pushing higher. Shit. It's a risk of $300.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man. Oh man. Fake. Fake. I just completely just I don't know. Just completely out, guys, man. This isn't even funny anymore. Hmm. Man, not feeling good. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop there. I'm just gonna stop there, guys. I mean, I do not want to make things any worse. We'll just leave it at that. Not quite down as much on the TS, but down a lot on the Tradify, and everything else kind of break even. Look at that bounce, guys. I mean, that would have been a nice little entry too, hey? Yeah.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Ah. Oh my god. Yeah. Probably going to call it there. This is just messed up. Messed up price action. Yeah, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Probably trade those tomorrow morning. We had probably tomorrow morning, not now, not tonight for sure. With the way it's kind of going with this price action, man, that's crazy. Oh yeah, by the way, I've got to request a payout with the Pro. 1 second, guys. Oh yeah, maybe I can request a payout now for 50. So I did request a payout here. Oh my god, man, look at that. That's crazy, Bowser. Dude 45, killer. Bowser, killer. Dude 45, look at that entry. Oh man, that's awesome, guys. You guys are killing it. But hey, I also have another one here. I have 760 payouts. So that's good. That definitely do help. And then of course we made another request here. That's 3 grand, and I've hit 760. So with after split, it's probably about $600. So I say I'd have about $3,600 payout here tonight, which is you know, I'll take it any day. Fuck, man, look at this. Oh my god, this price is really annoying, guys. What the hell is this up down like within that freaking, I don't know what the hell. I can't be trading this price action, guys. I'm just gonna have to kind of walk away now. Yeah, I don't think I can. I don't think I can trade this. This is garbage, man. What the hell, man? What is this? Are you kidding me? Really? Fucking annoying. Annoying, guys. I want to beat the hell out of this Globex ASIA. Eh. All right, fellow traders, we are done for the day. Oh, but we do have something. I should know. Tomorrow's. I will be. All right, just got an email. My payout is being processed. And yeah, I completely messed up tonight, guys. Not good. I haven't traded my funded next accounts that I bought this morning. So I still have those here. I'm gonna be trading those tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes. Take profit trader. I've requested a payout right now. We'll see how that goes as well. But yeah, I just literally got chopped all throughout the night. Not happy. All right, we'll just call it here, guys. I mean, I may be back here late night. So then we'll go ahead and do the giveaway at the time. We only have about 100 tickets anyways right now, so we'll call it here, guys. Not done a great job. So probably see you guys a little late here tonight, and then let's see how it goes. Am I? Yeah. I'm a little annoyed with the market. I'm a little annoyed, I'll be honest. But it's okay. I'm gonna go have something to eat, take a little break, and then come back. Final countdown. Thank you. Yeah, so we'll come back a little later. And I hope everybody have a great rest of the night. Yeah. I need to walk away. So we'll see you guys back later, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for hopping in to the stream. As always, thank you so much. Love you guys, man. Good luck, everybody. Thank you. Love you guys. Take care. Good night, everyone. Peace. Crazy.